In the beginning, there is the seed, small, silent, but full of promise. At the Ecofarms and Agroservices, we don't just plant crops, we grow purpose. From the first turn of the soil, we prepare the land with care, tested, enriched, alive, ready to cradle life. Then comes the nursery, a heaven for young green dreams. Here, under the watchful eyes, the journey begins. We transplant with gentle hands, giving each seedling room to thrive. Roots dig deep, leaves reach wide, nature responds. We guide them with nutrients measured like poetry, balanced, sustainable, intentional. We water with wisdom, each drop a whisper of life. Irrigation flows like breath, steady, clean, and kind. Then the early growth, a field of green stretching towards the sky. Strong stems, flowers as bright as stars, bold leaves, a symphony of health and hope. And then the harvest. Rows of red, column of yellow, cradled organically with careful hands, lifted with pride. Each pepper a story of nurture, of time, of earth, and of effort. We sort with promise from our farms, fresh, beautiful, to your kitchen, and then to your table. At the Eco Farms and Agro Services, we don't just grow pepper, we grow harmony with the earth. We grow food the right way, clean, cautious, and kind. Because when we nurture nature, nature nurtures us. To place your order, you can reach us on our socials at Ecofarms and Agri, or you could call us at the numbers below your screen, or you could visit us at number 58, Katien House, Jos. We look forward to seeing you. Ecofarms and Agro Services, where every seed is a stone.